been really hard to get furniture and things delivered because of COVID. However, we've decided to make the best of an empty living room. All right, let's get on with this fridge tour.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this is like day 553 of quarantine. Okay, I'm being dramatic. It's only been like 2 or 3 months, but I'm still like going stir crazy. But what I can tell you is that I have found a ton of things to do in our new home. And the first thing we're going to talk about today is this new toy behind me, which is our Samsung French door refrigerator. The first thing to point out about this guy is that there is this fun, basically freaking tablet computer on the refrigerator. Definitely the big selling point for these things. And so if you tap, you kind of have the option to like put up photos. You can leave notes for your family members and like all kind of like little cutesy things. There's also an option that shows you the weather, recipes. We can play music from this thing. And when I tell you the whole kitchen is bumping, like I'm literally in here, you know, as I make my food, it's literally amazing. There is a calendar option, so we can put a bunch of stuff up here, especially when like our busy season is happening. Like this is what we live and die by. And yeah, I can even see the front door if somebody comes. That leads us to inside of the fridge. So again, I found a couple of ways, not a ton, but a couple of ways to organize our fridge. We just went to the farmer's market this past weekend. It was beautiful outside, and so we picked up some fresh produce, and I was like, oh my gosh, we have to have a way to get to this stuff really easily. So went to Home Goods, did a little haul at Home Goods, and found some really cool things that I'm gonna tell you about right now. So this is our fridge. Okay, so a couple of things that I'm going to point out that have been super useful over this quarantine are these bins down here. So I'm actually able to keep a lot of our produce. So I love tomatoes. So we have a tomato drawer right here with tomatoes from the farmer's market. Love. We've got broccoli, and my husband makes killer Brussels sprouts, so we always have those on hand. And then I also have some carrots in here, some avocados. Up here we have some asparagus, some lemons, some green tomatoes. And then this thing right here, also got from Home Goods for like $3. It has a lid, and I keep our strawberries in this container. And recently I came across banana milk, and it has a really good consistency, a really good texture, and it is so good. Like literally I can just drink it by itself. So if you're looking for an alternative, banana milk is a good solve. In the same vein, this has been like my godsend. This almond milk Ready Whip is amazing. All right, and so that's just, you hear this little beep? Hey, now the fridge beeps and tells you if it's been open too long, so that's my cue to close it and take y'all to the next little drawer. Here we go. All right, so that leads us to this middle drawer right here. This is a temperature control drawer, so you can kind of set it based on what you put in here. I keep all of our wine, cheese, and beer in here. So if you come on over, I can show you what we got in here. So we've got all of our lovely bottles of champagne and wine in here. My husband's favorite beers are in here. And then my favorite sparkling wine, oh my goodness, is this Social wine. I always have a box of it on deck because it is so good. It is so light. And it's only 88 calories and it's gluten-free. Like, it doesn't get better than that. I think they're based out of Chicago. I might be wrong. Fact check me, people. But yeah, Social sparkling wine, so good, so refreshing. It's a vibe, especially for the summer. And then I also keep all of our good cheddar cheese in here that we use sometimes to make cheese plates or just when we feel like snacking. Last but not least, not that exciting, honestly, is our freezer. We keep keep a bunch of just regular stuff in here. I just like the fact that it slides out. There's a ton of room. There's this little drawer up top that allows us to put food up here and down here. I'll probably work on organizing this some more over the course of, you know, this quarantine and finding some little hacks. If you have some ideas as to how to organize this freezer, please let me know. Like, drop a comment below and let me know what you're doing to organize your house, your home, your kitchen, your fridge, whatever, because we got time right now, people. So I'm trying to get my life together. I'm trying to get my life right.
Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, and if you are new, please subscribe. Come on back, y'all.